to you all. Today's session is on binary operation, and this topic is related to modulo arithmetic. Once we understand the concept of modulo, binary operation will become very easy because I will add these two topics up. So under binary operation, we deal with symbols. So they will give you symbol like this. All these are symbols. So I can choose to give you any of these symbols in a formula. And you will always be given a formula for you to use the formula to solve certain questions. So take note that under binary operations, you will see symbols like this. Symbols like this. So if I give you if A, always I call the star. I call all my symbols star. If A star B is equal to A plus B. Now I have given you a formula. I will ask you to find I 2 star 3. I 3 star 4. I 1 star 2. What this implies is that, you see, I have now given you the formula and they have asked you to find I 2 star 3. So you first write your formula. So A star B equal to A plus B. And they have asked you to find 2 star 3. This means A is 2 because A star B 2 star 3. A is 2 and B is what? 3. So wherever you see A, you substitute 2. Wherever you see B, you substitute 3. So it becomes 2 plus 3, which is what? 5. 2. 3 star 4. So 3 star 4 becomes 3 plus 4 because A star B, A is 3 and B is 4. So it's 7. And the third one, we have 1 star 2. So it becomes 1 plus 2, which is 3. Which is 3. Let's take our second illustration. If P star Q is equal to half P plus Q plus 2, find R. 10 star 4. I 4 star 10. I 2 star 8. So this is also another illustration. I want you to get the concept so that I will be adding certain things. So if they give you this question, this means our P is equal to what? 10 and Q is equal to 4, taking the first question. And always, as I say, they will give you the formula. So you first write down your formula. P star Q is equal to 1 over 2P plus Q plus 2. So we want to solve for the first question. 10 star 4. It becomes half into bracket 10 plus 4 plus 2. And this means half times 10. So 2 goes here 1. 2 goes here 5. It becomes 5 plus 4 plus 2. And 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2, you are getting what? 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Let us solve for the second one. They are saying 4 star 10. 4 star 10. It becomes half of 10 plus, so here is 4 plus 10 plus 2. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 2. So 2 plus 10 have 14. The third one. Let's take the third one, the last one. So 2 star 8. 2 becomes half of 2 plus 8 plus 2. 2 goes into 2, 1. So 1 plus 8 plus 2. We are getting 11. We have 11 for this part. You see, this is a different question altogether. This time, I have given you 2 formulas. This is one symbol and this is also different symbol. So what you must take note is that you will take note of the symbols in the question. Once they have given you this symbol, this means it will take the first formula because we are having this symbol. Once they give you this means it will take the second formula. But they can combine the 2 symbols in a question. They can combine the 2 symbols in a question. You first write your formula. It becomes mn plus 3n. And they have asked you to find 3 star 2. What is the value for n? M is for 3 and n is for 2. So whenever you see n, you fix in 3. Wherever you see n, you substitute 2. So it becomes 3, 2 plus 3. What is the value for n? N is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6. We are having 12. I 5 star 4. And 5 star 4 becomes, what is the value for m? M is 5 and n is 4. So it becomes 5, 4 plus 3. The value for n is 4. 5 times 4 we are having 20 plus 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 32. Let's take the third one. The third one. We have 8. They have also given us another symbol. And this is the formula. This is the formula. We have the formula as 2x minus y. This is the formula. So what is the value for x? The value for x is 8 and y is what? 2. So wherever you see x, you substitute 8. Wherever you see y, you substitute 2. It becomes 2, 8 minus 2. 16 minus 2. We are having 14. 14. Let us take the fourth one. Let's take the fourth one. They have given us this 3 star 2 and another symbol. You see, they have combined 2 symbols in one question. What you must do is that you solve for the bracket first. Here too, we apply board mass. We solve for the bracket first. We solve for the bracket. So you will first solve 3 star 2. Even though they have already given you as your first question, but you don't know the examiner who is going to mark your paper. So still solve it. So 3 star 2. You use this formula. What is the value for m? It's 3. N is 2 plus 3. N is 2. So we have 6 plus 6 will give us 12. We have the value for the bracket as 12. We have the value for the bracket as 12. So what you must do is that you eliminate this bracket and substitute this 12. So it becomes 12 star 1. I call all my symbols star. So take that from me. Once we have this, we use the second formula for it. You see how I'm solving it? How I am approaching this question. So it becomes 2. What is the value for x? The value for x is 12 minus what is y? Y is 1. So 2 times 12 we are having 24 minus 1, which will give us 23. The last question. 3 star 2. They have given you this formula. So as I always say, even though we have worked out for this one and this one. But please solve it again. You don't know who is going to mark your paper. One may say, oh, why don't I write a statement that 3 star 2 is equal to this and 5 star 4 is equal to this? Hence, substitute it into this. Please, even though you can do it like that, but solve it. So 3 star 2, it becomes 3, 2. You will take the first formula plus 3. What is the value for n? 2. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So you first work out for the brackets. After that, you combine the answers. What is the value for 5 star 4? That one too becomes 5, 4. Still the first formula plus 3. The value for n is 4. 20 plus 12, we are having 32. We are having 32. And since we are having this as 12 and this as 32, it becomes 12 star 32. Because we now know the values for what? Our brackets. And 12 star 32, you use this formula, the second formula. You can't go for this formula because they are talking of this symbol. So it becomes 2. What is the value for x? X is what? 12. X is 12 minus 32. 2 times 12, we are having 24 minus 32. So this will give us negative 8.